Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're making pumpkin mac and cheese. Yes, you guys, you heard me. We're making pumpkin mac and cheese. It is nice and creamy. It's very cheesy. It gives you a nice pumpkin kick. If you love pumpkin, this recipe is for you. Be sure to like, turn on the bell by the subscribe button. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get started with the video. First thing first, we have to boil our pumpkin. I will be boiling them with about a teaspoon of salt, or you can boil it without any salt whatsoever. Next, I will be adding them in this pot of water. Once I'm done adding them in the pot, I am going to cover it and let it boil. While my pumpkins are boiling, I will be boiling my pasta. This is the kind that I'm using. Feel free to use whatever kind you want, but this is what I have in hand. I am going to boil it based on the instruction on the box, and then by now our pumpkin should be ready, right? That was very fast. I am going to test it with a fork. It should be nice and soft. Just take them out the water. Let the water drain for a little bit. And then I will be removing them, put them in a different container. It's really hot. You can let it cool down if you like. Now our little pasta is done boiling. It's nice and soft. I will be making a bechamel sauce to start our mac and cheese. For the bechamel sauce, I will be adding 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, I will start adding my flour. I am using all-purpose flour, about 2 tablespoons of flour. Just add it really slowly and keep stirring your butter. Next, I will be adding slowly a little bit of milk. Now, I do use 2 kinds of milk. I use evaporated milk as well as whole milk. I always make my mac and cheese with evaporated milk because it gives it a nice creamy flavor and I like it, so that's why I use it. I did not show that clip of the evaporated milk because I lost the clip, but I did add evaporated milk as well. So I am going to add the milk little by little in there. Once that is done, I will be adding in 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, salt and pepper, and stir it together. The yellow powder was dried mustard. Alrighty, now I will be adding cheddar cheese. You can add other kind of cheese you add in your mac and cheese, but I will be only using cheddar cheese for this recipe. Just add it in there, stir it, and then we will be using our pumpkin. You can use pumpkin puree, but I feel like using the real pumpkin will give it a nice pumpkin flavor. You guys already know I like using real stuff. So that's why I am going through hell to make it taste really delicious. Okay, I just like the flavor of natural ingredients. Stir it together and it should give you a nice creamy yellow color. Now I will be adding a little bit more cheese. You can make it as cheesy as you want. It's your mac and cheese. Do what you want with it. Now I will be adding my pasta, my cooked pasta in there. We're going to stir it all together. Look, it's getting nice and cheesy. This is what you want. You want it nice. And pumpkin is really healthy, you guys. I love pumpkin. Like, if you If you Haitian, you love your pumpkin soup, try this out and let me know if you like it. I really do. In Haiti, I used to eat cornmeal with pumpkin, so it used to be so delicious. I still love the flavor of pumpkin. Anything pumpkin flavor, I love it. Now we're going to transfer it to a different container, a baking container. Just pour it in there. It's very creamy, like I said. Super creamy, and it's really healthy for kids. You can minus the cheese and add more pumpkin. They won't even notice if there's pumpkin in there. Alrighty, next I am going to add some more cheese on top. I'm not going to cover it with the cheese. I like to be able to see some of the mac and cheese, so we're just gonna add some cheese on top. You can cover it up with cheese if you like. And next I will be adding a little bit of breadcrumbs. Just add that on top. It's nice and cheesy and looking pretty. More breadcrumbs going on top. This is how it looks once I'm done. I am going to bake this on 350 for, I'll say, 10 minutes. I do not want it to like bake for too long, but you can get the top a little golden, a little bit more golden if you like. But this is it, you guys. It's nice and crispy and golden. I will say for this recipe, don't knock it till you try it. You have to actually try this recipe before you say, what? Pumpkin mac and cheese? Oh, that's nasty. Try it, give it a try. I really like it. There will be a mukbang coming soon, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much for watching my videos, commenting, liking, sharing. I will be going live soon. I don't know when, but stay tuned for that live video. I will keep you guys updated once I am going live. Thank you for watching. Share it with a friend, family. Let's get the video to 300 likes, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.